In this tutorial, I will share with you how you can paint into your home. You do not need to call professional, instead you can do it by yourself. Remove things hanging on wall. After that, remove any nail or screw from the wall as well. If there are any holes in the wall, fill those and let them dry. Once they dry, use the sanding machine or sandpaper. I am using 120 grit sandpaper. Reason I am using wooden block, it will sand wall down equally. It perfectly sanded down. I do not see any more bumps on the wall. After sanding, wipe all the dust. I am using masking tape around switches. Masking tape will protect them from getting the paint and also help me to complete my work little faster. I also cover the other wall switches with the masking tape as well. I am covering door side wood with masking tape as well. Everything is ready. I started paint. This is time taking. Either you are a new or professional because you need to paint cuts very gently and take your time. If you make nice cuts, it will make finishing really good. As you can see, I am going very slowly, putting the paint and then going backward and forward to spread the paint equally. Places where I already put the masking tape, those will not take time. If paint get on the tape, that doesn't matter. After completing paint, I will remove those tapes. I am painting around the cord lock and the switch. You can see how easy it is because I'm not worried about to get the paint on the switch. Masking tape is really helpful when you do the painting. Paint is very easy job with roller. When you have paint on roller, leave 8 to 10 inches where you stop with paint. Then spread paint on roller inside and then outside. Once you spread paint, now move roller in Y direction or W direction to spread paint equally. In other words, start to make W or Y with roller. It will spread paint nicely. As you can see how I am going in a Y direction. I completed the paint, but I will let it dry, and after that I remove the masking tape. Paint is completely dried now. I am removing the masking tape. This is the final finishing. I painted and laid the vinyl floor as well. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and shares with the other.